Good morning, students. This is Miss Jessica. Today is Thursday, February 27th. We'll continue with Chapter 3, Book 2C. And first of all, let's go over the answers for the homework assigned yesterday. PME, page 4 to 5, and supplementary exercise, page 18. So this is the top part for page 4. Bottom part of page 4. Top part of page 5. And bottom part of page 5. And for question number 5, it's okay for you to have other answers other than these, because you are allowed to make different 4-digit numbers out of the 4 different number cards. And for the supplementary exercise, page 18, for question number 2, in order to make it an even number, you need 2 bits on the units place. And because we're trying to find the smallest 4-digit even number, so as I said last time, we'll only leave 1 bit on the thousands place. And for question number 3, we are trying to find the largest 4-digit odd number. So we're trying to have as many bits as we can on the thousands place. So we'll put 3 bits on the thousands place, and only leaving 1 bit on the units place, because we need to have an odd number here. Today we'll go over textbook 2C, page 21 to 23. And we'll use the 5-step method to solve the word problems. Step 1. Read the problem carefully and identify the question. Step 2. Find the given information. Step 3. Organize the information and write the expression. Step 4. Calculate. Step 5. Check the answer. So page 21, question number 1. How much cheaper is a small pizza than a large pizza? So we just did step 1, which is to read the problem. And then step 2, we are asked to find the given information. So we know that small pizza costs $158 and large pizza costs $202. So we'll try to organize the information by drawing a diagram like this. And this kind of diagram is really useful, because by just looking at the diagram, you know if we're doing a subtraction question or an addition question. And then we can write the expression. And then step 4, we can do the calculation. And also for step 5, we can check our answer by adding 158 to 44. So a small pizza is $44 cheaper than a large pizza. Question number 2. Carl pays $500 to buy a lunch set for 2 people. How much change should he get? So we just did step 1, which is to read the problem. And then step 2, we are trying to find the given information. So we know that he actually paid $500, and the total amount of the lunch set is $179. And we're asked to find the amount of change that he should get. So the word change means the amount of money that he will actually get back after paying, let's say, the $500 note. So this is step 2. And then step 3, we are asked to organize the information. So once again, we can draw a diagram like this. And by looking at the diagram, we know that in order to find out the total amount for the change, we need to do a subtraction question. So we need to subtract 179 from 500. So this is part of step 3 to write the expression. And then step 4, we can do the calculation. And then for step 5, we can check our answer. When we add up these two numbers, 179 plus 321, if they add up to 500, then our answer is correct. So page 22, question number 3. Winnie has $195. She wants to buy a lunch set for 3 people. How much more money does she need? So this question is different from question number 2. Because question number 2, she is actually paying more than the amount of the lunch set. And this one, she doesn't have enough money. So she actually needs more money in order to pay for the lunch set. So we just did step 1, which is to read the problem. And then step 2, we need to find the given information. So she paid $195 and the lunch set cost $243. And we need to know how much more money she needs to pay. And then for step 3, we need to organize the information by drawing a diagram. So by looking at the diagram, we know that we need to do a subtraction problem once again, because we need to know the amount of money that she needs to pay. So part of step 3 would be to write the expression. And step 4 is to do the actual calculation. And once again for step 5, we can check our answer by adding these two numbers to see if the answer is 243.